This is a chaser circuit board, and this is a source. This is a positive voltage, and this is the negative. You can supply voltage from between uh, 2 volts to 5 volts, 10 volts. Mm, and this is the 555 timer, and this IC is CD4017. It's a counter decade IC, or you can say shift register. And this is the LED which give the pulse square from the 555 timer. When it's on, it's charged by this R1 plus R2 into C capacitor. When it's discharged, then it's discharged with this R1 into C capacitor. This on off time is called duty cycle, and according to the pulse given at this LED, this 4017 shift register shift one bit by one bit, which directly convert its binary into it's into the digital, into the decimal number. It's the feature of this CD4017 IC, and you can see that how it's work. It's it is shifting, and its LED is moving like this. It's Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8, Q9. It's had 12 output states, and we have supplied a clock from this 555 timer from pin number 3 to its clock pin number 14, and all the other descriptions and pin diagram are given in the description block given below. If any query you can ask. Thank you. It's